uh, I'm gonna show you some kind of beautiful birds. So please stay with me and enjoy the view of these birds. They are really amazing and they are flying in the sky. They are having good time. So let me show the flying in group. They're celebrating something this time. As you can see, they're so excited. That's the reason they are having fun this time. Oh, mashallah. What a beautiful view I am capturing my video. So look at this moment. Wow, there are so many birds. They are flying happily in the sky. So could you please tell me this bird's name if you are familiar about this bird's name? And please tell me, are you enjoying this video or not? Hopefully. Okay, so let me end this video over here because I get a offer namaz. So I'm gonna wrap this video over here. Thank you. Take care and keep smiling.